What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and on today's video I will be showing you the rebuild process of a Salvage Acura RL. We are going to be replacing both headlights, front bumper, hood, condenser, radiator, and the support. Luckily for me, I was able to get an RL front nose from the junkyard, so I did not have to buy everything in pieces. That would have been costly. This one had the Honda emblem on it, which could mean it came from a Honda Legend, which is not common in the States. When I went to pick this up, I assumed the colors were an exact match, but I soon realized it was lighter once I did a side-by-side comparison. The good thing is that the gray did match the color of the wheels, so I figured why not leave it on, keep the two-tone look going. Guess I would have to see how it looks when I'm done. Here's the fun part where we completely strip the front end of all the damaged pieces and replace them with the good ones. This might look easy from this video, but trust me, this is a lot of work. The good thing is that we are having fun while doing this and also learning and perfecting our craft. Please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, or a giant spider will crawl on top of your head while you're sleeping. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Gotta love it. 48 hours worth of work crammed up in 3 minutes. Almost done, almost done. Yay or hell nah? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Should I leave a two-tone like this or should I paint it? I think it looks good, but hey, let me hear your opinion down below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on my Salvage Rebuilds. Peace.